And here's how to clear Discord cache in Windows computer. First of all, press Windows R to open the Run app. Here type %app data % and click on OK. And now here you have to find out Discord folder. Open the Discord folder and here you will find Discord cache. Select cache folder, code cache, then select component CRX cache and down cache, down graphite cache, down web GPU cache and GPU cache. Once you selected all of cache folders, now to delete them permanently, press Shift Delete and click on Yes. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Discord cache files. Thanks for watching.